Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to design a convergent duct for a ANSI simulation. First of all, you have to select front plane, go to sketch and make a circle of 40 millimeter. Go to smart dimension, give 40 millimeter. Now you need to extrude this sketch. By clicking you can uh, change the direction, the reverse direction, and the you can change the direction. Also, if you need to give a draft angle, you can use this feature. Because this is a convergent duct, I am going to give about 15 millimeter degree draft angle for this segment. Now select about this sketch and go to sketch, and you can convert this sketch into a extrudable sketch using convert entities. Select this one. Now you can see this edge becomes dark, so this sketch can be extruded. Go to extrude boss base, give dimension about 30 millimeter and draft angle less than 15 millimeter. I give 10 millimeter or like this. But we can see that the extrude depth of this segment is not enough, so we can go to extrude boss base and go to right click on that. After that you can see that edit features. Now select the extrude depth, extrude height about 20 millimeters. Now this is the duct, so we are going to make a NC simulation for this convergent duct.